What's up everybody, Reaper61 here with another great video, and listen up cause this is important. We love our furry, scaly or feathered buddies, right? But sometimes life throws us a curveball. Earthquake, hurricane, zombie apocalypse, you name it. We gotta be ready to rock and roll, especially when our furry, scaly or feathered pals are relying on us. That's why today, we're talking about something super important, building an emergency kit for your pet. Think of it like a go bag for your little buddy, packed with all the essentials they'll need if things go sideways. We'll go through the basic items you need step by step, so you can make sure your best friend is ready for anything. Let's do this. First things first, we gotta talk about everyone's favorite subject. Food. Imagine you're a dog, and suddenly you're in a new place. Everything's weird and your tummy's rumbling. Not cool, right? Pack at least 5 days worth of your pet's regular food. And hey, variety is the spice of life, even in an emergency. Throw in some tasty treats too, you know, for good measure. A happy belly equals a happy pet, am I right? Water, the elixir of life. Don't forget to pack enough water for your furry friend. 5 days worth is the magic number, just like with the food. And hey, if your pet's a fan of wet food, make sure you've got a can opener handy, just in case. Pro tip: collapsible bowls are a lifesaver. They save space and are super easy to pack. Trust me, your pet will thank you for it. Okay, time to get serious for a sec. Just like us, our pets need their meds. Make sure you pack enough of their regular medication to last at least a week. And don't forget a copy of their medical records. This is super important, especially if you need to see a vet who's not familiar with your pet's history. It's like having their medical chart on hand just in case. Accidents happen, even to our furry, feathery and scaly friends. Having a pet first aid kit can be a lifesaver. Include things like gauze, antiseptic wipes, tweezers for those pesky tick emergencies, and anything else your vet recommends. And hey, throw in a pet first aid book too. It's like having a medical guide right at your fingertips. You never know when you might need to become your pet's personal superhero. Alright, let's talk about the not so glamorous part of pet ownership. Poop. Even in an emergency, we gotta keep things clean. Pack plenty of waste disposal bags so you can scoop that poop like a pro no matter where you are. Remember, sanitation is key, especially in a crisis. Plus, nobody wants to step in a surprise left behind by your furry friend. In an emergency, the last thing you want is your pet running loose. Make sure you pack a sturdy leash, harness, or carrier. If you've got a cat, a carrier is a must-have. For dogs, a harness is a good idea, especially if they're prone to pulling. And of course, a leash is essential for all pets. It's all about keeping them safe and sound. Okay, imagine this. The unthinkable happens and your pet gets lost. Having a current photo of them, along with a description, can be a huge help in finding them. Think of it like their own personal missing poster. Include their name, breed, any special markings, and your contact info. Hopefully you'll never need it, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now let's say you can't take care of your pet in an emergency. Maybe you're stuck somewhere or you need someone else to step in. Having detailed written instructions for their care is crucial. Include their feeding schedule, medication instructions, any quirks they might have, and your vet's contact info. Think of it like a cheat sheet for anyone who might need to take care of your furry friend. Last but not least, make sure you have your vet's phone number easily accessible. Write it down, save it in your phone, tattoo it on your arm. Okay, maybe not that last one. The point is, you want to be able to reach them quickly in an emergency. It's also a good idea to have the number of an emergency animal hospital handy, just in case. And there you have it, folks. You've officially built an emergency kit for your beloved pet. We've got the food, the water, the meds, the first aid kit, the works. Remember, this is just a basic guide. You can always add more items based on your pet's specific needs. What else would you include in your pet's emergency kit? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow pet parents. Let's be prepared and keep our furry, feathery, and scaly friends safe. Until next time, this is Reaper61. God bless you all and stay awesome. I am out.